How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. Welcome to my overview and install on this seat release handle and trim panel kit from 5.0 Resto, designed for the 1983 to 1993 hatchback Fox bodies. This particular kit from 5.0 Resto is going to be for the Fox Mustang owner out there wanting to replace the handle and trim found on the back of their rear seats in their hatchback. Both the handle and trim panel are constructed from OE grade plastic and are both black in color to closely mimic the factory pieces. Taking a closer look at the trim panel, you'll find that the grain and texture is very close to that of the factory. Now, this kit is intended to service one seat back, so of course keep that in mind if you're needing to replace both sides. In the box will be a trim panel, 3 trim panel retaining screws, a release handle, and of course a release handle retaining screw. Start by bringing the seat back down. Remove the 3 trim panel retaining screws with the Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the Phillips head screw retaining the release handle. You can now pull up on the handle and set it aside. Now remove the trim panel from the seat back. Align the new trim panel and carefully tighten the 3 provided screws. If needed, lubricate the release mechanism and go ahead and wipe up any overspray. At this time, you can install the handle and tighten the provided Phillips head screw. Go ahead and repeat these steps for the other side if they're needed. It's always the small things that definitely make the difference. This release handle and trim panel kit from 5.0 Resto is the perfect addition to dial in the interior on your Fox body restoration project. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.